Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Students, take out your workbook of class 3 and look at page 7, exercise C. Students, yesterday we have studied contraction and its form, full form and its short forms in detail, and today we are going to do the related exercise with it in our workbook. So look at it. Now look at exercise C. We have to match the full forms under A with their short forms under B. Like we have to match full forms. We have to do matching. We have to match the full form with its short form, with its contracted form. So let's start. First one is not. What do you think? What would be the suitable answer for is not? It is doesn't, no, want, no, isn't, yes. So we will match is not with isn't. Now look at the second one, are not. Doesn't, no, it does not match with doesn't. Want, no, it also not match with want. Isn't is already match with is not. Aren't, yes, it will match with aren't. Now look at the third one, cannot. Cannot. Can it be matched with doesn't? No, it can't. Can it be matched with want? No, it can't. Now we can match it with can't. Yes, we can. So match it with can't. So the fourth one will go with the option doesn't, and fifth one will go with the option won't. I hope you have also matched in your book. Now look at the second row. Now sixth one is he is. I am, can it be matched with I am? No, it can't. Is it? Can it will be matched? Can it will be matched with his? Yes, it can. Now look at seventh one. It is. Can we match it with I'm? No. Can we match it with what's? No. Can we match it with I'll? No. Can we will match it with its? Yes, we can. I will, can we will match with I'll? Yes, we can. Can we match I am with I'm? Yes, we can. Yesterday we have studied about these words. I hope you remember. What is, can we match with what's? Yes, we can, definitely we can, because these are their short forms, these are their contracted forms. Students, move to page 8 and look at exercise D. Now write a full form of the underlined words. Look at sentence 1. Sentence number 1, I'm very hungry. So its full form will be I am very hungry. Look at the write it down please. Look at the second sentence, what's your program? So its full form will be what is your program? Look at the sentence 3, I can't wait for so long. The answer will be I cannot wait for so long. Write it. So sentence number 4 is she won't come today. So this full form will be she will not come today. Look at sentence number 5. He'll write to us. He will, its full form will be he will write to us. And the last one is it's very kind of him. It is very kind of him. I hope you have noted all these in your book as well. Students, after completing your classwork in your workbook, you have to do on page 14, exercise B, write full form of the following in as your homework in at home in your textbook. So you have to write, you have to complete this in your textbook as a homework. This is as a homework for you. You have to complete it. I hope today's lecture is clear to you. All is that for today. Thank you.